Hi, Stewie. Hi, Dylan.
Hey, Norman.
What's the matter?
We're trying to earn our word problems badge by keeping track of how many ducks and frogs there are in this pond. We have a problem.
That's great.
It is?
Sure. For every problem, there's an answer just waiting to be found. Let's see if we can find it together.
Okay.
Okay.
How about we start with the ducks you were counting?
We counted 12 ducks in the pond.
But then I fed the ducks and 7 more flew in and landed next to them.
Now we don't know how many there are altogether.
Sounds like a word problem to me. Let's see. We know that more ducks came into the pond, and we need to find out how many there are altogether. So to find the answer, we need to add. There are lots of ways to find the answer, but one of my favorites is to draw a picture.
I love to draw.
Okay, Stewie. Draw a picture of 12 ducks, and then draw 7 more ducks in the picture. Now count all the ducks.
There are 19 ducks altogether.
Right. So there are a total of 19 ducks in the pond. You know, another way to solve a problem like this is to count with objects, like these. Here's a 10 and 2 ones to represent the 12 ducks that were in the pond. Then we add 7 more ones to show the ducks that flew in. Now you just need to find the total.
Let's see. 1 10 and 9 ones equals 19. So that means there are 19 ducks in the pond.
Sure does. Now, let's figure out how many frogs are in the pond.
We counted 16 frogs sitting on lily pads.
But then I sneezed and 5 jumped away.
Now we don't know how many frogs are left.
Another great word problem. Yay! Okay, so we know that some frogs went away, and you want to find out how many are left. So to find the answer, you need to subtract. Now, when I subtract, I like to use 10 frames.
I have some of those in my backpack.
Okay, mark 16 frames for the 16 frogs on the lily pads. Now, cross out the last 5 for the frogs that hopped away. What do you have left?
I have 1 10 frame that's full and 1 more in the other 10 frame. That means there are 11 frogs left.
Sure does. Isn't it great that there are so many ways to solve problems? I learned them when I got my strategies badge. A strategy is just a way to solve a problem. Now, another strategy you could use to solve this problem is a number line.
Oh, I have one of those too.
Of course you do. A good number scout is always prepared. Start at number 16. That's how many frogs you started with. And count back 5 spaces to subtract the frogs that hopped away.
That puts me at 11. 11 frogs in the pond.
Right! Looks like you're gonna earn your word problems badges after all.
Yes! Woohoo!
Yeah, man.
Good job. Remember the Junior Number Scouts motto.
Stand up and be counted.
That's right. Now, here's a number riddle for you. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Digit.
Digit who?
Did you know math could be so much fun?
Good one, Norman.
That's pretty funny.